Let us see how to use the shape morphing command. Go to the sketch, select a plane and draw the curve. Exit from the workbench. Create a plane. Select the plane and go to sketch. Draw the curve. Now use the multi-section command to join the curves. Now the wing of an aircraft is created. Now create a plane to create the limiting curve and the target curve. Let us draw a target curve. Draw the straight line. Exit from the sketch. Now select the middle plane and deforming element to create an intersecting curve, that is the limiting curve. Select the deforming surface, reference curve and target curve. Go to limiting element, select the intersecting curve and change the point continuity to tangent continuity and preview. This is how curve can be shape morphed.